Hi everyone, today I am making frittata. So I'm going to show you what I've got in the pan. I'm just shallow frying a whole heap of like leek, pumpkin, tomato, mushroom, bacon, all of that kind of thing, whatever you like. I'm using smoking curry as the seasoning. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. Over here is a mixture of 8 eggs, about 2 teaspoons of smoking curry, and about a small bottle of cream and some grated cheese. So I've just whisked all that together. I am about to tip it over the top of my vegetable mix here and bacon mix. And this is going to be absolutely beautiful. So all we need to do is just leave that to cook for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to put it under a grill. So when you're doing one of these frittatas, it's a great idea to use a pan that has metal handles, not plastic handles, and then you can put it straight into the oven under the grill, and that will cook the top half through. And I'll show you the finished product. Ness Ness is finally out of the onesie today on this glorious day in Melbourne. Absolutely stunning.
Glorious, glorious, got a chance to start it again. I was born for this, that's who I am. I'm back again. 1, 2, 3, go! The darkest part of the night. Now I see the sunrise. Well, I feel glorious, glorious. I feel glorious, glorious.
What a lovely day to be alive, huh? Let's see what Ness Ness gets up to today. Who's that? Oh, look, there's Summer. What are you up to, Summer?
Doing my makeup.
Oh, very good. What are you going to get up to today? Going to get ice cream. Well, she's going to have a great day. Let's see what we get up to. See you soon.
Out to everybody, but Vanessa, the big such a real party goer, the stage, you know, established.